would be so much arguing.
Some people would have to sleep downstairs because we've only got one spare bedroom.
That would be a catastrophe.
So is it difficult for your mum when everyone's round to stay and she's got to cook for everyone?
Yeah. I don't think they'd ever move in because it would be far too crowded.
My grandma, she lets everybody else do the dirty work while she has a rest.
Is that because it's just too busy in their house?
Just too busy.
When these kids grow up, there's a good chance they're going to have to look after their parents. People are living longer, and their parents' generation, my generation, are not saving anywhere near enough. 3/4 of people won't have enough to retire on, and particularly our children could face all kinds of new challenges in the years to come. The government's already struggling with the increasing number of people going into care, and demand for social care is only going to rise and rise and rise. The situation's just going to keep getting worse. So who's going to take the strain? If you've got children today, are you prepared to move in with them when you retire? Would you be happy with that? Would they? Better Futures will examine ways we can all take action today to avoid placing an unfair financial burden on our kids. There are no quick answers, but it's clear that this is a conversation that we need to start. Join the discussion today at hymans.co.uk.